Hello and welcome back to another Router Gods video. My name's Humphrey and we are back with another resume review slash makeover that we usually do on our River channel, which is our Router Gods meetup group chat room. So we've got a resume here. Of course, I've blacked out everything for privacy reasons, and we're just going to cover a couple things here, namely the summary section along with the skills. Now, the format of this resume is something that we see quite a bit. You've got a little summary up here. You've got a skill section on the right-hand side as another column, and you've got your experience and jobs in the center/left column. Now, this person has also put in some hobbies and the reading list, which is completely fine. And the reason it's okay here is because this person is trying to do a career change from something completely not related to IT into network engineer. So they have limited room or limited leeway to play with in terms of putting in relevant skills and hobbies and stuff like that. Let's start with the summary section. So we have a very typical, very fluffy summary section. And what we have is analytical thinking, problem solving, professional. Basically, it doesn't tell you anything. Instead, what this person should have done is, so this person is coming from, I believe, a restaurant/retail. Here we go. Yeah, I've blacked out the name, but it is a restaurant. What do you deal with in a restaurant? As a manager in a restaurant, you deal with customer service. You deal with angry people. Very relevant skills for IT. You've got some catering here, so potentially large catering parties, let's say for weddings and stuff like that, a lot of coordination. So those skills, those specific skills should be talked about in the summary. But right here, analytical thinking, excellent customer service skills, why? Why is it excellent customer service skills, right? Instead, be specific. It could be, at a previous job, catered to up to 500 person dinners, et cetera, et cetera. Be specific. On the right-hand side, we have a massive skills section. I mean, it just goes on and on and on. And basically, we have what's called the shotgun skills section that we see quite a bit. There's probably several dozen things from the ever-popular growth mindset. Don't put that. Network engineering, of course, we have all the protocols. Okay, this person knows how to do network diagrams, technical support. It just goes on and on and on. So here's the thing about the skill section. Instead of making it a shotgun approach and just listing everything, pick your top 5 skills, top 5, maybe 10 if you've been around IT long enough, and be specific on why you are using that skill. So for example, let's say you're putting down, let's pick one here. Let's say you're putting down Linux. Okay. Don't just put down Linux. Put down Linux. Let's say you worked at a hosting provider and you had to install Linux of various distributions thousands of times on the different servers using VMware or whatever install tool. Or let's say you made a automated install tool that would put all the templates and the VMs and whatever settings onto the servers. So be specific. Don't just say Linux. Say, why are you putting Linux down? It's because I did X, Y, and Z. Make sure you be specific, because then the person reading this will go, wow, that's pretty good. I want to know more, instead of just Linux. All right, so we got a couple problems here. Once again, it's way too long. It is a waste of, just a colossal waste of space here. And it's also things like you're not being specific. You're just putting down routers. So instead of just putting down routers, say something like, well, at a previous job, I installed 30 Cat 6K, Cat 5K routers, Cat 9K routers, and installed a whole rack in under a day or something like that. You got to be specific. It is okay that you're changing careers. It is completely fine to be going from restaurant into IT, but you have skills and you have experience from the restaurant business that can help in IT. Don't be shy on listing it and be specific. And then on the right-hand side, the skill section, this can be cut down to about that much, top 5 to 10, and be specific. Okay, so this was another resume review / makeover. This one was slightly painful, but it's all a learning thing, and hopefully it helps this person out. Stay tuned for another video. We're going to be doing a lot of these resume reviews. Unfortunately, because of the current job environment out there, we're getting a lot of these, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks. Bye.